Hey, what's up everybody? And welcome to another episode of Flavor Town. I am Master King Chef Jerod, and I appreciate you guys watching. So let's talk about what we got going on today. It is about 22 degrees outside, and y'all know I'm from sunny Miami, Florida, and I can't take the cold weather. So to compensate for it being cold outside, I am going to be making a roasted creamy tomato soup, right? And that ain't it, because you know a lot of people like to eat their soup with grilled cheese sandwiches. So of course I'm gonna give you guys grilled cheese, but this grilled cheese is a seafood grilled cheese, lobster, shrimp, crab meat. All right. So if I was you guys, I would not go anywhere. Stick around. Hey, camera guy. Hey, what you doing, man? We're making a soup right now. You all over there where the seafood grilled cheese. Camera guy wants to hurry up and get the seafood grilled cheese sandwich, but we ain't there yet. We gotta make soup to go along with sandwich. All right. So check it out, though. We real coordinated. I got the red shirt on. We got the red pot. Still got the guy with the red shirt. Then with my studio audience, just like double. You know what I'm saying? So, live studio audience. That's how we doing here at Master King Chef Jerod. So look, so I have my pot here, right? I'm getting ready to make the soup. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of olive oil, all right? And then I'm gonna add the onions to this. So I got my onions in here, right? And they're sauteing up, right? We want it to be just like how it's going now, nice and sizzling. Cause you know, Chef Jerod's on fire, baby. That's why I got the red shirt on. All right, so then I'm gonna add salt and pepper, like I always do to all my vegetables. I'm gonna pound it in your head. Pound it in your head. Always season your vegetables, guys, okay? Salt, and then pepper, all right? And then right now, like I told you guys before, I don't wanna add my garlic too early, but I'm gonna add the garlic in right now. So add some fresh garlic. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And then, you see that? Man, it's smelling good. I'm gonna add my canned whole tomatoes. Now you get this at your local supermarket, just canned whole tomatoes, okay? I'm gonna add that in there. Now, I'm gonna let that cook down for about 15 minutes, okay? I'm gonna let that cook down. And then I'm gonna add some fresh basil. Now, I'm gonna add whole sprigs of basil because I want the flavor of the basil to be throughout the whole entire soup. Like every bite you get, you're gonna taste the basil. But I don't wanna chop the basil into pieces because it turns black. It doesn't really look that good. So I'm just gonna drop the whole thing of basil in there. I'm gonna cover that up and I'm gonna let that go for about 15 minutes. And then I got those roasted tomatoes in there, and then I'm gonna add some more seasonings. I'm gonna add some vegetable broth, and then I'm gonna strain it. It's just a whole thing we're gonna do. So, man, sit back and enjoy this Flavor Town ride, baby. All right, so now that that's simmering down like I want, I'm just gonna add my vegetable broth, okay? Just gonna add it. Look at that pot, guys. Man, we are looking so good. This is gonna be a really good soup, okay? Gonna add that vegetable broth in there like that there. And like I said before, I can be a little fancy sometimes, so I use the organic stuff, but you guys don't have to. You can just go in there, go to your Winn-Dixie, your Publix, or your Kroger, your Piggly Wiggly, what else they got? Pantry Pride, Walmart, and get any type of vegetable broth you guys like, all right? So, good, cool. I'm gonna add this back in there, and now I'm gonna let that simmer for about 21 minutes. All right, so our soup has been simmering for about 20 minutes, okay? So what I'm gonna do first is I got that basil in there. It's nice and infused. It's all in there, all right? So I'm gonna take out the whole leaves just like that, okay? I'm gonna take the basil out, and if you guys can smell this, man, this smells so good. So basil out. Now, remember those roasted tomatoes we put in the oven about 20 minutes ago that we salted and peppered, put a little bit of balsamic? I'm about to take those out of the oven. So, man, how good does this look? Ooh. I said, yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna take this sit right here, and then what I'm gonna do with these tomatoes is just take them out and put them right inside the soup, okay? I'm gonna put these inside the soup, and then I'm gonna actually blend this together. All right, now what I'm gonna blend it with is a handheld blender, okay? If you don't have a handheld blender, you can use a regular blender, okay? You can just add this to the blender. So I'm gonna add these in, and then I'm gonna blend it all together. You guys are gonna see me blend it together, so I'm going to. All right, guys, so I have my handheld blender. All it is, it has some blades right here. You hit the button right here. What this is gonna do is gonna make this really fine. So I'm gonna talk to you guys and burn mix at the same time. And once it's all burn mix, guys, I'll get back with you. Once everything is nice and smooth, I'll show you the next step. Alright, so after I burn mix the soup, or after I put the soup in the handheld blender, I got it to the consistency I want. Check it out. Nice and smooth tomato soup, man. Y'all saw me do it live in living color. What I'm gonna do now is add a little bit of heavy cream in there. That's gonna give it a little bit of sweetness, okay? Now that I have a nice sweetness to it, all right, I'm gonna add like a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper just to give it a little bit of spice. Now, if you're gonna be serving this to kids, I recommend leave the cayenne out, all right? But if it's for the grown folks, because I'm doing a whole spread here, hit it with a little bit of cayenne, just a little bit, okay? And then I'm gonna take some fresh ground black pepper. And you guys, this part, the salt and pepper is always to taste. It's totally up to you. And I'm gonna add some salt. And then, guys, I'm gonna let this simmer for another 10 minutes, and this soup is pretty much done, okay? I'm gonna stir that up real good. Look at this, guys, nice and creamy soup. Cause it's cold outside. I got the month of May, but it ain't May right now. It's almost January. As a matter of fact, by the time y'all see this, it's gonna be 2018. So I hope everybody had an awesome 2017 and greater things for y'all in 2018. How about that? All right, so now it's big boy time, right? I'm about to hit y'all with a seafood grilled cheese sandwich, right? So what I have here is a saute pan. I have some garlic butter right here. Now you can make your own garlic butter, or you can go to your local supermarket and buy some garlic butter. I did that. I went to the supermarket. I'm gonna add that garlic butter to the pan, all right? I'm gonna add some shrimp to the garlic butter. I'm gonna add some, you know it, lobster meat to the shrimp. And I'm gonna cook this down in the garlic butter, okay? Now, after I cook this down and saute this up and the shrimp are done, I'm gonna show you guys what we got going on next. So this right here is the filling that I'm gonna use for that grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna spread it inside a nice bread and put a variety of cheeses in there and hit it with some bacon. But man, y'all know this Flavor Town, and we are always building flavors, okay? Hey, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to all my videos, okay? And also check my website, www.masterkingchefjerod.com. It's right here for you. www.masterkingchefjerod.com. Check me out, okay? So now I'm just gonna season this up. I'm gonna finish cooking it up in that garlic butter. Man, it's smelling so good. Take a whiff of that. That's how we do here in Flavor Town. Stick around and I'll show you guys what we got going on there. All right, guys. Now that our shrimp are done, that's what I was waiting on. Because our crab meat is already done, I didn't want to add the crab meat too early to this filling. So now I'm going to add our lump crab meat, okay? Now this is pretty expensive, so you can use this or you can't. But we're having a seafood grilled cheese sandwich. And you know I like me some crab meat, so I'm going to add some crab meat to that. And I'm also going to add some parsley to that. All right, and then I'm just gonna shut it off. Now, I'm gonna mix this up really well, and then I'm gonna set this aside. And this is gonna be the filling for our grilled cheese. And then we're gonna put together this seafood grilled cheese. So, check it out, don't go nowhere. So the tomato soup is ready to go. And now we're gonna make grilled cheese sandwich. But you guys know I'm doing a seafood grilled cheese sandwich. So what I have here, just some bread that I got from my local supermarket, okay? I'm gonna take some garlic butter. I'm gonna spread it, garlic butter on the bread. Man, this grilled cheese sandwich is gonna be so good, guys. After I spread the garlic butter, I'm gonna add on the bottom layer some Kobe cheese, all right? Kobe cheese. You can't have a grilled cheese sandwich without cheese, right? So then I take some of this seafood filling, shrimp, lobster, crab meat. I cooked it in garlic butter, you know? I'm gonna add it to this sandwich right here. So then I'm gonna take that seafood filling right here and put it on my sandwich, okay? Man, how good does that look? Then I'm gonna take some pepper jack cheese, okay? Put that on there. Guess what I'm gonna do again? Another level of grilled cheese and seafood. I'm gonna take another level of seafood right here. It's gonna be a double layer of seafood. I'm gonna put it on the grilled cheese sandwich, guys. You've never seen a grilled cheese sandwich like this before, have you? And then on the top layer, I'm gonna put some cheddar cheese. So I have the Kobe, I have the pepper jack, I have the cheddar cheese. And you know what I'm gonna do again? Add some more seafood on top of this thing. So I'm gonna take more seafood, add it on top of here just like that. Man, if you guys like lobster and shrimp and crab meat and cheese, man, this is it for you. Then I'm gonna take pepper jack, Kobe. I'm gonna take this thing like this here. Man, now, what I'm gonna do now, wait a minute, camera guy. You let me forget about the bacon. You can't have a grilled cheese sandwich without bacon. So I'm gonna put a slice of bacon right here, slice of bacon right here. Now, I'm gonna close this thing up, right? I'm gonna close it up like that there. And what I'm gonna do is take some garlic bread and spread some garlic butter and spread it over here like this here. Doesn't this look like a good grilled cheese sandwich? Well, guess what? I ain't done yet. I'm gonna take this big joker right here, right? I'm gonna walk it over to my griddle. I'm gonna put it down on here, and then I'm gonna press this sandwich. In about 3 minutes, you and I are gonna eat a tomato soup with a seafood grilled cheese sandwich. Man, talking about building flavors, talking about knocking socks off. Man, that's how we do it in Flavor Town. It's going down in Flavor Town. Hey, check this out. Oh man, look at that big monster there. All right, so for that big monster, I got a bigger monster to scoop it out with, because this is a big grilled cheese sandwich, man. So what I'm gonna do is scoop it up like this here. Look at all that goodness, man. Look at that. Shrimp, lobster, crab meat, the cheese. Doesn't that look good, guys? I'm gonna sit that right here, all right? I told y'all this is not your average grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, I'm gonna bring that over here, just like this. All right, so what I'm gonna do next is layer out some of this awesome tomato soup. Yeah, y'all see that seafood monster right there. All right, so most people eat that tomato soup, they dip the grilled cheese sandwich inside the soup. We gonna do the same thing, except our grilled cheese sandwich is a seafood grilled cheese sandwich. Now, here's that creamy tomato soup we made. Look at that consistency of that, guys. You guys helped me make this. You should be proud of yourself. All right, so I'm gonna take some of this soup out, and I'm gonna ladle it in my bowl. Man, how good does that look? Got that tomato soup going on. We roasted tomatoes. We added some balsamic to that, all right? We cooked it with the basil. Man, this looks so good. Now, all right, I'm gonna take this grilled cheese sandwich right here, right? Actually, I'm gonna cut it in half. Oh man, open that up. Look at that baby right there. Doesn't that look good, guys? So I'm gonna take the soup right here. I'm gonna take the grilled cheese sandwich and put the soup on the plate. I'm gonna take the grilled cheese sandwich and cut it in half again. Oh man, how good is, check that out. Oh man, are you serious? Master King Chef Jerod? I'm serious than a heart attack. I'm gonna put that on the plate just like that there. And then I'm gonna offer you guys something. Here you guys have it. Master King Chef Jerod's seafood grilled cheese sandwich with roasted tomato soup. How you like them apples? Y'all gotta come check this out. Now, you know I gotta taste a little bit of this, right? Get a little piece of it. Man, remember guys, the garlic butter, the bacon, the lobster, the shrimp. We got cheese in here, pepper jack, Kobe, cheddar. Excuse me for 1 second. Hold on. Man, I'm gonna do it like that. with the tomato soup like that. Most people dip it in. I'm just gonna ladle it over like that. Take another bite. This is ridiculously good. Oh my God. Flavor Town in your face. That is so delicious, guys. I'm getting ready to go because I can't keep talking and eating this because I'm starting to look crazy. This is so good. But I'm gonna tell y'all this. That is fire right there. That is straight fire. Hey, thank you my 38,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that. You guys are really, really awesome. Been following me since day one. Remember guys, check out my website, www.masterkingchefjerod.com. And keep remembering to share, like, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And always keep God first in your life and everything falls into place. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Cook down for about 2 minutes. I'm getting no sizzle, I ain't getting no sizzle. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is take these tomatoes out. Actually, I'm not gonna take the tomatoes out. I'm gonna take the basil out because I can't take the tomatoes out because it's tomato soup. Once I get this bird. But this right here, this is the filling for that Philly. What am I talking about? Chef in the kitchen, and I'm cooking it up. Cooking the soup, I'm gonna hook it up. Gonna make it for you, make it real good. Do it for you one time, understood? Chef on a microphone. Y'all better leave me alone. I got many talents.